Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not opening. First, a simple restart of your computer or device can often resolve minor issues. Next, confirm your system meets Roblox's minimum requirements, like having at least 1 GB of RAM and a processor from 2005 or newer. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable, ideally with 4 to 8 megabits per second. Finally, quickly check Roblox's official status page for any widespread server problems. Now, let's tackle software. Always keep your Roblox application updated to its newest version. It's also crucial to have your operating system and graphics drivers current for optimal performance. Sometimes, security software can block Roblox, so try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall, or add Roblox as an exception. Lastly, close any other programs running in the background, especially game overlays, as they can sometimes conflict. If updates and conflict resolution don't work, it's time for a fresh start. Begin by clearing Roblox's temporary files and cache, which can often fix corrupted data. Then, uninstall and perform a clean reinstallation of the Roblox application. Remember to run the Roblox player as an administrator to ensure it has all necessary permissions. Also, reset your web browser's internet options, clearing its cache and cookies. For more persistent issues, consider reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, as Roblox relies on these. You might also try changing your DNS settings to public servers, like Google's, which are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Confirm that UDP ports 49,152 through 65,535 are open on your network. If all else fails, reaching out to Roblox support is your best next step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.